So today we will discuss about this thing. Okay, jump off the cliff and build your wings on the way down. Now this is what I believe from a long time. In fact, I'm at this position today. I'm working on as a corporate trainer. I am a YouTuber just because of this thing. Jump off the cliff and build your wing on the way. I've never planned anything in my life. I was never sure about what I want to do because there are lots of people, they don't have a plan with them. Some people, they do have a plan. They think, okay, we will do this, we will do that, then we'll go somewhere. I was not having a perfect plan, but then I used to believe in this concept. If you want to be something in your life, you have to grab the opportunities. There are two ways of grabbing the opportunities. The first way is you have to first you have to prepare yourself, get ready for the opportunity, and the moment somebody knocks on your door and say, hey, I have this thing for you, if you're prepared for that, of course you will say yes, right? That's how you get the opportunity. The second way is, if someone says, hey, I have this thing for you, you might not be ready at that point. Now you have two answers. You can say, no, I can't do that, or you can say, I can do that. The risk is, if you say yes, if you can do this, let's go with the first scenario. If you say no, you lost the opportunity, right? But anyway, you were not prepared for that. But what if you say yes? In this scenario, if you say yes, at least you have a chance to prepare for that, right? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Let's start discuss about that. You tell me. So we are in the comment section now. So I will give you time. You tell me if I am not ready for the opportunity. I want to get that stuff. I want to achieve that thing with the opportunity which I'm getting, but I'm not ready. So what do you think? Should we go for it, or should we skip it, or should we wait for the next opportunity which we are ready for? Let's see what you say. Okay, so people are discussing about other stuff. Okay. I'm waiting for the answer, guys. So Dharmik says, why not? Weber says, go for it. Great. Ashma says, okay. So everyone says, okay. We got one person who says skip it. Okay. Okay. So let's discuss about my thinking. Let me tell you my experience. There was a time, I wanted to be a corporate trainer. So I was planning to, not planning, but then I wanted to be a corporate trainer at some point. When I was working for a company, we used to have corporate trainers there, and I used to always get amazed by their way of teaching, and the way they used to talk, they used to express their knowledge. I wanted to be a corporate trainer. Then once I got the opportunity, I still remember, it was 7 a.m. in the morning, and I was doing nothing at that day. I was free. I got a call from one of the agencies, and they said, consultant, he said, we have a training requirement for you. I said, okay, that was my first opportunity. But the problem is I was not ready for that. I was not ready for the training. But I thought, okay, I have 1 week to do that. I might be getting 1 week of time to prepare for that. And that guy said, hey, you have to take a training today at 10 a.m. in the morning. It was 7 a.m. when I got up. I was having 3 hours. Now I had two choices there. I could have said no, I can't do it, because how can you prepare in 3 hours? He said the topic is Java, Core Java, and I was knowing Java quite a bit. I said yes. I went for the training, and that was my first training experience, and it was awesome, right? Since I've given my first training, I got the second training back to back, and then I'm getting lots of training after that. So that's the first thing. I said yes, and that's why I'm a corporate trainer. If I said no, I don't know when will be the next opportunity would have knocked my door, right? Second scenario, I used to train on Core Java, so I was pretty good on Core Java, and I was good with Servlet JSP as well, Servlet JSP as well. And one day I got a call, and they said, okay, you have to teach advanced Java. I said yes, without thinking, I said yes. And they said, in this you have to also teach Spring, Hibernate. At that point, I was not knowing all these technologies. I was like, I was knowing something about it, but not everything. Stream is lagging? No, right? Okay. So, yeah, so I got, I was not knowing Spring and Hibernate completely. So what I did, I said yes. That's a weird thing, I was not knowing those technologies, and I said yes. It was a risk for me. I don't know, is it a good thing to reveal this on internet? But let me not do that. It's been a long time actually. So I said yes, and I was having approximately 15 days to prepare myself for the entire course. So in first 10 days I was busy with other training, so I was not able to get enough time to prepare. But in last 5 days, I mean just before the training, what I did, I learned Spring, I learned Hibernate, and in 5 days I have learned everything so that I can train there. It was not a good training from my side because I have just learned it and I was teaching, so it was not that helpful for the participants. I cannot say not helpful, but then it was not perfect. But then that was a start, right? I have completed the advanced entire framework in 5 days, which is almost impossible if you want to learn. Example, let's say if I want to learn about Spring and Hibernate today, is it possible to finish them in 5 days? Not exactly, because I don't have a deadline now, right? What I will do, I will spend 2 hours, 3 hours a day, which will take me around 2 to 3 weeks to complete everything, even if I'm giving 3 hours a day. But I was not having a choice, right? So when you don't have a choice, that's the only choice you have. You have to work hard and you have to prepare. So what I did, I jumped off the cliff and I built my own wings on the way down. So that's how I learned. There's one way to prepare yourself is to jump off the cliff, and for sure you will survive. Not every time, but then 99% you will survive. Okay, 1% there's a risk that you will lose something, but that's fine. This is the time you have to take risk, right? So I jumped and then I got to learn different technologies. Still I do those things, not fully. Because earlier I was not having any reputation in the market. Now I do have reputation, so I cannot take much risk now. But then initially when you are in your starting of your career, you can do that, right? Okay, so how I implemented this for training for teaching others. So when I give training in corporate, I do this. I directly give them project, and you have to work on it. Doesn't matter how you do it, you have to do it. Because the moment I say you have to do it, they don't have a choice, right? They will build it. I did the same thing with the classroom training once. Now, the most important is why I'm talking about this today is. Last year, 3 years back actually, I was thinking about, I wanted my mom to learn YouTube, how to use YouTube, because she was watching TVs, and right, all those TV serials, those are weird stuff. So I thought, okay, let's if she learns how to use YouTube, now she will watch amazing videos on YouTube, how to cook different dishes, how different way of, different tips, how to keep, different tips, right? Different, you got the point, right? So I wanted her to explore YouTube. I tried to teach her YouTube. So what I did, I bought a mobile phone. Okay. So I bought a mobile phone, Android phone for her, and I was teaching how to use YouTube, how to use mobile phone, and she was like, okay, she used that phone for 1 hour, doing this, doing that, and this was the first time, right? And it also is difficult to teach your parents how to use gadgets, because their way of working is different than yours, right? We are born in technological world, so we know how to use devices, but these people, older people, they don't know how to use devices, right? So when I was teaching her, she was like, okay, good device, and then good features, oh, awesome. And then after 1 hour, she kept the mobile aside and started watching TV. I was like, hell, I bought a phone just for her so that she can enjoy. Just imagine if I give you a phone now, right now, if I give you maybe any phone, maybe iPhone, what will be your reaction? For next 2 days, you will not leave your iPhone, right? But what she did, after 1 hour, she kept the mobile aside. So I thought, okay, the only way to teach her how to use YouTube is, what I did, I changed my TV. Anyway, that TV was about to die. It was not working properly. So I bought a new TV. But instead of buying a normal TV, I bought a smart TV without any cable. Okay, without any cable connection. So there is no cable connection. The only way to watch that TV is internet, right? And it was an Android TV. It is an Android TV, and in which you have to open the application. You have to use YouTube. if you want to watch anything, you have to open YouTube, and that's how she learned how to use YouTube, right? Because she was not having any choice, right? She has to learn YouTube to watch all those videos. So what she did, she used that pointer, and she opened YouTube and she started searching for videos, right? It was a bit difficult for her for first 2 days, but after that she was amazing. She can watch any video, she can search for the videos, because that remote was also having a keyboard, a QWERTY keyboard. right? So she was able to type it, she was able to search all those things, and she used to watch my videos as well, and she used to get excited, my son is coming on TV finally. It was her dream to watch me on TV, and it was possible. So that's how I taught how to use YouTube. And now I have a spare machine at my home. I have a spare laptop, so I want to teach her how to use a laptop so that she can spend some time with laptop. I'm doing this from a long time. It's been around 6 to 7 months now. I'm teaching her how to use a laptop. But the only problem is the moment I try to teach her laptop, she says, "Okay, it's good." And then after she goes to the kitchen, she goes to the hall, and that's it. Never come back for the laptop. Now the only option I have is I want to teach her how to use laptop. So the only option is what I did. I started a YouTube channel. Okay, one more YouTube channel because my mom is an amazing cook. Okay, see the only reason why I eat at home, I don't prefer restaurant foods much. Sometimes, but then I don't prefer much. But whenever I prefer restaurant food, I prefer home food because my mom is an amazing cook. So my friends, my interns, my employees, they know how good cook she is because whenever I take my tiffin, they are like, "Wow, awesome tiffin." So she's a good cook. So I thought let's explore her, her skills on YouTube. Now there will be two advantages. First, now since she is on YouTube, she will learn different dishes, different way of making dish. Second, to upload a video on YouTube, you have to learn how to use computer, right? You should know how to send a video from mobile phone to laptop. Second, how to use a laptop to edit that video and to upload that on YouTube. And for this, you have to learn laptop, right? So what I'm doing now, what I did, she don't have any choice now, right? So she don't have any option now. She has to learn. She has to learn how to use laptop, right? By the way, I forgot to mention about her channel. So I'm sharing the link in the description area, guys. Just check out the channel if you like it. If you are good with, if you want to learn how to cook, that will be helpful. Let me just share that in the chat window. So the channel name is Telusko Kitchen. Okay, where is that? Yeah, so the channel name is Telusko Kitchen, and if you have any suggestion, let us know. But the amazing thing is now she don't have a choice, right? She has to learn all these things. So I believe, if you want to learn something, there are different ways of learning. There's one way. Just start with it. If you just commit to anything you want, let's say if you want to learn, if you got a project on Hadoop, and if someone says, "Hey, I want to build a project on Hadoop," just say, "Yes, I can do it," and start with it. The only problem is there's 1% chance that you may lose, right? Yeah, by the way, I shared the link in the chat window. The channel name is Telusko Kitchen. Just go there and do subscribe. She will get motivated. So in the Telusko Kitchen, we'll be having different dishes there, and yeah, so you will learn different things. Oh, I can see we got 4 subscribers. That's great. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel. She will get motivated, and if she gets motivated, I will get good food to eat more. And so okay, so yeah, do subscribe to her channel. So that's one thing I wanted to tell you today. Okay, so yeah, we'll start with QA now. So we'll start with the QA session, and finally I will see your questions. I can see there are lots of questions. There are lots and lots of questions. I have to go up and up and up to see the questions. So before starting with the questions, make sure that you liked this video, because I can see we have 114 people watching this, and we have only 50. How many likes we have? Just hold on. Yeah, we have 84 likes, and come on guys, if you're liking this session, do click on the like button, and I've shared the link with you, right? The Telusko Kitchen, you have to subscribe. You don't have a choice, right? If you want to support me, you have to also support Telusko Kitchen, because it's all. So we have multiple channels now. We have Telusko Learnings for this learning purpose. We have Telusko Uncut for fun purpose. You know, if you go to my channel, there's a list there, featured channel. So we have Telusko Uncut for fun. We have Telusko Hardware. If you want to learn about hardware, if you want to learn how to repair a laptop, because that is not my cup of tea. I cannot repair a laptop. I cannot repair machines. So I asked my brother to help me with this. So he has a hardware shop in Mumbai. Okay, if you are from Mumbai, you can just go to Bhandup and you can repair your laptop there with a good discount, of course. You are a Telusko subscriber, right? Yeah, so what he's doing is he's repairing those laptops and he's uploading those videos on YouTube. So you can, at least even if you don't want to repair your own laptop, you will know what are the parts are there inside a laptop. And I have seen this, you know, there are, even if you're from IT world, there are lots of people that don't even know how to open a laptop, what are the parts are there inside a laptop. So that's a good thing to know. And we have Telusko Kitchen now, where you will learn about different dishes, right? Okay, so that's about the thing. Let's start with the question. So the first question is, where's the question? Everyone's saying hi, hello, thank you for the tutorials. That's it. Thank you so much. Salute. Oh, that's great. Okay, how to find best field in CS? Best field, you're talking about which technology you want to work on, right? You want to be a programmer or a tester. So I believe initially when you are learning when you are doing your graduation, you should learn everything. You know, you should be jack of all. Because if you decide you want to be a programmer and if you don't learn testing, you will not even know that you love testing. It may happen that you love testing more than programming. How do you know that? So you in your college, especially if you are learning for the first time, you should be learning everything, start to end. Then you will realize what you love. At least spend 2 months on each technology, and then you will realize, because spending 2 months is not a big time, right? In your 4 years, 3 years of degree, if you can spend 2 months on one technology, that will be awesome, and you will get to know, do you love it or not? So I would say I cannot suggest you any best technology, because everything is good. Programming is good, testing is good, hacking is good, designing is good, but then it depends upon your interest, right? If I say, hey, you have to be a programmer, and you don't like programming, you will not survive, right? So think about it. Okay, so Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam, Muhammad Shadab. I hope I was that proper. I pronounced it properly. Do you know WaveMaker tool? No, I don't have any idea on that. WaveMaker, no idea. Just live. Okay. Okay, sir, I have a pretty good handover on Java, but I want to program web with it. Oh, how do you start it? So this question is from Rashid Iqbal. So you know Java, you want to make websites, right? So see, when you talk about Java, it's only the code part, right? You know how to build a console-based project. When you talk about websites, in website we have a front end and a back end, right? So front end is basically what a client sees, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and the back end is Java. Using Servlet and JSP, you can do that. So if you want to be only in backend, learn Servlet and JSP first. That will be enough for you. But then if you want to build the entire website by yourself, the front end and back end, I would suggest first learn front end, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I don't want you to be expert in that, but at least knowing those technology will be helpful. So first learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then go for Servlet and JSP. That's how you do it. Okay, so Webo says, great title, sir. Oh, thank you so much. I hope you liked it. Now, this is not a my code actually. This is, let me just search who quoted this sentence, this statement. It's good to give credits, right? And this thing said by who? Oh, I'm not getting any. Oh, it's Ray Bradbury. Oh, sounds like Bradbury. Anyway, so it's Ray Bradbury. He's the so he has given this quote. Awesome quote. Anyway, so next thing. Okay, how I get Spring Framework course. I don't have the entire course on Spring Framework now. I'm still building that that course. Actually, I'm a bit busy with other things as well. From Monday, I'm going for one of the training for which I have to prepare a lot, right? So soon the course will be out soon for Spring Framework, but it will take some time. Okay, so so Jeet says, which technology you recommend for web development? React.js, Angular 4, or Vue.js? See, everything have their own advantages and drawback, and what are those advantages drawback? I don't know, but I know this thing. All this JS framework, they have their own advantage. Now, I guess React is backed by Facebook, so again, there are lots of people that are using React. So if you're confused, I would say go for React. That's a good thing, but I'm still not sure. You have to consult someone who work in web designing field. Oh, 132 people watching this. That's great. So again, if you're liking this session, do click on the like button there, guys. And I can see only 9 people have subscribed to Telusko Kitchen. That's very bad. So I'm sharing that link once again in the chat window. Do subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay, so next question is from Aslam. How I get admission in Spring batch? Oh, there's no Spring batch for next 2 months. The next batch would be next 1 month. So next batch would be in September, second week of September. So you will get the updates on my website. So just go to my website and you will get the updates for the next batch. Okay, next from Insane Chiggy. Oh, Chirag. Oh, okay. So hello, sir. This is Chirag Gulati. You're a new student. Oh, that's great. I'm very lucky to. Oh, there's no question. Okay, you're very lucky to learn here. That's great. Thank you so much. Oh, Muhammad Sharab says, sir, I love you. Love you too, Sharab. That sounds weird, right? Okay. So Devidas says, learn, earn. Well, that's right, Devidas. Okay, next. Next question. Oh, Aslam says, which one is best, Selenium or Protractor to learn? I don't know. These are testing tools, right? I heard about Selenium. No idea about Protractor. No idea. Okay. Oh, next question from Mohit. How I learn Spring and Hibernate? Oh, there are lots of videos now available for Spring and Hibernate. At my time, there were not much resources available, but now there are lots of videos. In fact, if you can just go to my channel, I do have a Hibernate playlist. I don't have every video on Hibernate, but then you will get the basics of it. At least start with the basics. So watch my playlist on Hibernate and Spring. So just go to channel. So when you go to channel, there will be a playlist option. So go to playlist and search for Hibernate and Spring playlist. So there are 2 different playlists. Watch those videos. That's how you will learn Spring and Hibernate. Okay, what else? Okay, next question. Okay, so from new movies songs question, any video of real-time project and its deployment? Yeah, I have done that. So I do have a playlist on my channel. So just search for Java development. So it is Java web development playlist. So there's a playlist called as Java web development. And if you follow the entire playlist, I have talked about how to build a project, how to deploy that project on Amazon Web Server. I do have that. Okay, so next question. Siddhartha Gupta, I'm BCA student. What can I do for future? Computer BCA. Okay, so the thing is, in fact, yesterday I made a video on how to get a job. So if you're doing your BCA, make sure that you also do some projects, side-by-side projects, some freelancing projects, maybe some your own projects, and upload those projects on GitHub, because that's how recruiters will know that how powerful you are. Learn about data structures and algorithms. In fact, in one of the comment in the earlier video was I was not talking about data structures. See, those things are actually very important. When you go for the interviews, you know that you have to learn data structures and algorithms. But the thing is, if you want to go for startups, if you want to go for companies, if you want to go for companies where they will check your skill set, then with data structures, you also need to have a project backup with you. I mean, some projects with you. That's how you will prove yourself. If you don't have real-time experience, there are some companies that don't hire people who don't have project experience. Maybe a small project, but some project. So build some projects, learn data structures, and what else? Search for the internship if you can find. Okay, Srinath's question from Srinath. Sir, I'm working in software company. In my company, I'm working with JavaScript. I wish to switch my job to big data. Is it possible to get a job in big data, and should I study any online course? Yes. You can switch to big data anytime because this is a new technology and there are lots of vacancies available. So what you can do is get certified. So there is a Hadoop certification or Apache Spark certification. Get certified and you will get a job. Certification is not compulsory. You can go for local certification also, but then having what you say, international certification will be helpful. So yeah, so go for that. So that will be better. Okay, so sir, where do you stay? I stay in Mumbai. Okay, so which programming language is required to build an application for KAI operating system? What's that? Are you talking about Kali operating system? Maybe Python. Python is good for Linux. Okay, good evening, sir. I want to know about which language should I learn to get a job in field. See, every language is better. If you are learning PHP, if you're learning Java, if you're learning C#, every language will give you a job. But question arises what you want to do. So if you want to get into enterprise world, go for Java. If you want to get into startups, go for JavaScript. I mean the mean stack. JavaScript, go for JavaScript. That is something which everyone needs now. So learn JavaScript if you want to get into startup. Okay, next question. Amit Goel says, hello sir, want to meet me? I mean, oh, you want to meet, I want to meet you. Okay, so you want to meet me? Okay, that's possible. You are meeting me live now, online. But where do you stay, Amit? Okay, how to prepare for Ocjp exam? Okay, so first of all, you have to join a course. I believe, if you really focusing on it on Ocjp exam, get a course, because the problem is, if you prepare by yourself and if you can get dumps for that, that's awesome. But if you don't get a dump and if you prepare by yourself, the moment you give an exam, if you get failed, that's an issue, right? You are losing your entire fees, or you're losing that entire cost. So I would say go to join courses, maybe online courses, offline courses. Make sure that you get good reviews on those courses, because there are lots of fake institutes nowadays. They will take your fees, but they will not train you on anything, right? So yeah, so make sure that you check the reviews first and then do it. Okay, next. Okay, Shubham Khanna says, sir, all are saying AI will take over the market and Java will be of no use. Is it true? Okay, the answer is yes. Let's talk about the first part. AI will take over the market. Yes, in future everything will be AI. But will it take the Java market? No, because if you want to build AI system, you have to use some programming language, right? So Java will be there. Don't worry. It's just that yes, AI will be there in the future. Okay, I can see 163 people are watching this. Is it 163? Or 127 people are watching this. So if you have joined the session just now, just make sure that you click on the like button there. Okay, next question is how cybersecurity career. It has a good. It really has a good career option, cybersecurity, because there are lots of companies, they want to make sure that they have some inbuilt. They have the in-house team with them. It has a very good career. The only thing is, are you interested? If you're interested, go for it. Okay, Vikram says about IoT. What IoT? About what? I don't know. I'm confused with the career opportunities, as may I know how to program in Java, CSS, how much I will get from this knowledge. See, learning things are different than implementing. So what I want from you is, don't just learn things, also implement it. Because if you don't implement this, it's of no use, right? So once you have learned all these technologies, HTML, CSS, PHP, C, C++, build something. If you build something, you will get to know what you are doing, what you will be doing in future. So can I use JavaScript to build to develop hybrid apps? Yes. Hybrid apps are built on JavaScript, right? Yes, you can do that. So we have Ionic framework, we have PhoneGap, right? Cordova. There are lots of things available now. So learn JavaScript. Okay, so Malak Dawood says, I love the title of this video. Thank you so much. Okay, next question. So let's, last 5 minutes, guys. It's been a long time talking. I'm shouting? Okay. Okay, so we have an advice here from Ashish. You have chosen a very good subject. I would also advise think before you leap. Yeah, that's also one thing, because if you have some reputation now, you have to think before you leap. You know, whenever I take decision now, I always think about it. I have to think twice. In fact, you know, it's so weird. It's my channel, right? Telusko Learning is my channel. I can do whatever I want, but still I think about it. You know, the moment I want to go live, I think twice, I think 3 times, I think 10 times before going live nowadays, because I don't know why people, the moment I go live, I get dislikes, you know. I don't know why maybe people don't want me live. I think about I always think what to upload, what not to upload. And that's a weird thing again. It's my channel, I can upload anything I want, but then people don't like it, I don't know why. Maybe, so. See, I told you, right? Dislikes. You can see I just got 3 dislikes. Weird people. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So I would go for it for sure. Okay. So next opportunity comes, but okay. You're talking about the old messages. Okay. Next question. What else? Where are the questions? Okay, where are you from and where you are living now? I'm from Mumbai and living in Mumbai. So, born by the Mumbai ka. Okay, so Devidas says Bangalore want IT clerks, not developers. I understand your frustration, Devidas in Bangalore. But try. You will get something. So you have to. Sometimes you have to work hard. You have to run for the companies. You have to do that. What is the question? Which tutorials? GitHub tutorials. Okay. The only way to effectively to improve whatever you want to is okay. Questions. Okay, please make a video on Java coding questions. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, next question. I'm interested in startups. I have an idea. Okay, where are the questions? Okay, I'm scrolling down and I can see lots of comments but no questions. Oh, question is who inspired you? Okay, my inspiration is, there are lots of people, you know, I get inspired by lots of people. One of the inspiration I have is Dr. Abdul Kalam, and my inspiration is Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, myself. I do get inspired by myself. You know, we all have that. You know, what you say, time. So sometimes I get very motivated. You know, you can see I give back-to-back videos on YouTube. I do lots of training sometime, and some days I know I feel very demotivated. I do nothing. I watch movies. I do that. When I'm feeling depressed, I watch my own videos to get motivated. So I inspire myself. But yeah, I have other inspiration as well. Okay, can you share your email ID? Yes, sure. So you can contact us on teluskotraining@gmail.com. Okay. So Dharmik Mehta says aptitude is compulsory. Yes. If you want to get into a company, your aptitude knowledge is also important. So make sure that you improve your aptitude skills. Because I remember when I went for my first job interview, I've given lots of interviews before that, and I got rejected for some of the companies. And when I went for the second interview, when I went for the company where I got hired, the first round was aptitude, and I'm so good with aptitude that I came last in aptitude. So, aptitude is very important. Luckily, I got cleared in aptitude round. So okay. Okay. Where are the questions? Okay, next question is, after Core Java, what you should go for, Advanced Java or Android? I would suggest you to go for, oh, now this is a question. This is a good question. Now, first of all, you define what you want to be. So if you want to get into mobile world, if you are talking about Android, it's more about mobiles, embedded systems. If you're sure that you want to go for the mobile embedded systems, I would say go for Android. But if you want to get into enterprise world, go for Advanced Java. That's a good thing. Okay. Okay, let me just check one thing. Our channel is going good. We are getting good number of views. Okay, so hi sir, I'm a huge fan of your channel. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. You like my videos? Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. Next time we'll have some more questions because I cannot complete all the questions now. I'm tired. It's been 45 minutes. I'm talking continuously. It takes lots of efforts, you know. Normally, when you talk to someone for 45 minutes, you don't get tired. But especially on YouTube, when you have to think before you talk, you know, I have to think about each and every word before I talk on YouTube. Okay, it's been a horrible time nowadays on YouTube, you know. That's good. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I can see we got 118 people watching and we got 160 likes. That's awesome, right? And we got 7 dislikes. That's also awesome. Maybe I will improve next time. Okay, so dislike simply means that I'm not doing good. So we'll try to improve next time. Okay. Important question. What's that? GitHub tutorials, right? Yeah, we'll make GitHub tutorials. It's on the way. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget. Oh, dislike means you're not replying. Hey, it is not possible. Do you understand that? See, let me show you some stats. Okay, so let me just tell you my side of story here. See, I have more than 85,000 subscribers now. Okay, so we have more than 85,000 subscribers. Now, that's not a small number. Everyone got notified that I'm going live. Approximately, I get 2,000 views when I go live. Okay, out of those 2,000, even if we have 300 to 400 people sending a message here, how do you expect me to reply to each and every one? But I'm trying my best. I have replied to top 10 people, right? So next time if you have a question, make sure you come first and ask the question. You know, you have to understand from my side as well, right? I'm trying my best to answer all your questions. See, I don't care about dislikes, but then I don't want to disheart you people because of you I'm here today, right? We have a huge family now of 85,000 people. That's what motivates me to make those videos. Actually, that's not easy to make free videos on YouTube, but then you people are my motivation. So that's it. So I will try to go live tomorrow as well. The problem is I'm a bit busy with one of the training. I will try to go live tomorrow as well. So yeah, let's see if I can answer your question tomorrow. I will update you. So if you want to know about How will you know that I'm going live? So make sure that you like my Facebook page. You can add me on Facebook. There's also a group for us. You can add yourself in that group. You will get notified there. Okay, so that's it, guys. And make sure that you subscribe my mom's channel, right? That is Telusko Kitchen. If you are interested, even if you're not interested, subscribe the channel, right? She will get motivated. And she don't know that I'm promoting her channel today. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off. I don't want to go. I know I don't want to go also, but I'm tired. We'll see you tomorrow. I have to do other stuff as well. So I've just shared the link in the chat window of the new channel, which is Telusko Kitchen. Make sure you subscribe there. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.